All right, guys, with the new update. So this is a new tower. I've never seen this tower before. And check it out. Now we have remote explosives. So let me go ahead and get this. Give up that. Ooh, I want that actually. And then what I'm gonna do is jump out of here if I can, or crawl out. Let me go to the top. Let's go ahead and use these remote explosives. So I believe it's gonna be R1. And then let me put another one here. And then I'm gonna put one more here. And then how do I use this? Let's see. Oh, there we go. I pushed L2 and it blew up the tower. All right, guys. So that's the new tool, the new remote explosive and how to use it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you at the new update. Bye.